I chose the professional development tool Learning for Justice, which is described as a thought provoking classroom resource that supports diversity education. To access this web tool, you will need to go to learningforjustice.org. Once there, in the top right corner, you'll be given the two options log in or join. When joining, you will need to include basic information such as your name, email address, as well as create a username and a password. They will also ask for other information pertaining to your work setting and role. Once you receive the successful registration message, you will automatically be logged in. For this tutorial, I will log in since I've already joined. Upon logging in, you are shown an orientation page that contains information on how the tool can be used. Instructors can use this tool in a variety of ways, such as building learning plans, finding classroom resources like lessons, activity kits, and posters. There is also a self-guided professional development workshops and webinars. Learning for Justice states, our free educational resources help foster shared learning and reflection for educators, young people, caregivers, and all community members. When thinking about student-centered uses for this tool, there are several ways students can interact. Lessons go beyond simply teaching content and discuss how to apply this content or principles that they learn into their own lives. Other lessons also incorporate instructional strategies to engage all types of learners. There are multiple modalities such as music, videos, and personal stories that help improve the learning experience for all learners, such as dual language learners and others with learning challenges. The classroom resource I would like to demonstrate is the Learning Plan Builder. You can access the Learning Plan Builder either by going to Classroom Resources and choosing Learning Plan Builder or clicking the blue Build a Learning Plan button. Both will take you to the same place. I highly recommend you select Take the Tour upon your first time logging in. This provides you with step-by-step instructions on creating a lesson and saving and publishing that lesson, which we will do now. I would like to create a lesson for my students called Learning About Differences. I will name that lesson Learning Plan. I will select the grade level, which is K through 2nd. Here, I can select one or more social justice domains, such as diversity and identity. I can also write one or more essential questions, or I can view the suggested essential questions. So since it's my first time using this tool, let's say I'm going to choose the selected essential questions or the suggested. And let's say we're going to go to what groups do I belong to? What are my identities? Okay. Then you can go down and select one or more topics. In this case, I'll do race and ethnicity and religion. Now, the tool goes on to suggest different texts that you can include to inspire and engage your students. So for here, we'll choose Two Friends, which is the first suggested text. And you could choose any, a number of different texts. I'm just, for the example, just choosing the one. Once we do that, we'll go into select student task, which you're going to choose the performance tasks that allow your students to demonstrate their learning. So we have things like buddy share, a collage of concerns, and all of these are based on the grade level that you entered at the top. Community building board, puzzles, and so here I'm going to choose the buddy share. Okay, we'll go down and select teaching strategies. And so responding to a read aloud text or exploring text to read aloud. For this age group, I'm going to go to responding to read aloud text. And it also tells you that these teaching strategies will help your students grow their vocabulary, close reading, and speaking and learning skills. Then it continue on and suggests strategies that fit your plan. So you can read through each one and see what best goes in line with what you're hoping to get out of the lesson. So I'm going to choose author's chair, go down and choose my subject, social studies. You can add notes if you would like to or not. Here it tells you save your learning plan, which you publish. My plan, it's just private. Make sure you click I am not a robot, then saving learning plan. And upon saving it, you have learning about differences. It gives you the learning plan, learning about differences has been created. And you could also edit that plan. And there you have it. So that's learningforjustice.org. It's a great resource, lots and lots of ways to incorporate learning and look at topics that you may not be as familiar with to introduce to your students. Thank you.